Just a meteor shower and the show's over. Ah,
Oh, quite the contrary, old chap. It's just beginning. You see, I found a prophecy.
do you mind?
Boy, he really sucks the fun out of everything, doesn't he?
Fun sucker! I read this tablet front to back, and the story it tells is very disturbing. Every 100 million years or so, the world gets a cosmic cleansing. Before the dinosaurs, there were these horseshoe crab-looking thingies. Ugh, yuck. Then, at the bottom of this mountain range, an asteroid hit. Boom! Bye-bye! Next, dinosaurs, mountain range, asteroid. Boom! Bye-bye! And coming up next, mammals, mountain range, asteroid. Boom!
Bye-bye.
Stupid mammals.
That's us. Yep, and there she is, the mother of all asteroids, screaming towards us. Even going underground won't save us this time.
Hey, that wasn't there before. And look what it's doing to the sky.
No worries, because I've got a plan.
Really? To stop an asteroid?
Look, the last two asteroids have pummeled the Earth in the same spot, and it's about to happen again. We've got to go there and see what's attracting the asteroid. Once we know why it's coming, we can figure out how to send it somewhere else.
That plan is so dumb, I wish it had a face so I could smack it.
Let me get this straight. Instead of running away from a deadly asteroid, you want us to run directly towards it.
I know it sounds suboptimal, but the good news is it'd kill us no matter where we went.
Well, that's reassuring.
Okay, but even if we get to the crash site, how are we supposed to change what is literally written in stone?
Ah, my cynical friend. The dinos were wiped off the face of the Earth, but some escaped. They changed their fate, and we can change ours too. Who's with me?
So, what do you think?
Honestly, I'm worried the weasel's right.
No, don't listen to the weasel. He's a raving loon.
Sorry, I just love playing devil's advocate and looking fabulous.
Well, Buck has saved our lives before, right?
But what if he can't this time? I don't know what to believe. But I'm afraid our lives will be over before they begin.
Okay, I guess we're in.
Caution heading reported for duty.
Judy.
Excellent. And dirty word processed. Now, we better get on the road because time till impact is roughly 2 days, 4 hours, 1 minute and 16 seconds. 15 seconds. 14 seconds.
I think we get it.
I think we're all gonna get it.